Hyaluronic acid is a very popular skincare ingredient. It's found in lots of trendy anti-aging creams and is also a very common injectable filler. It helps to draw water to the skin, keeping it hydrated and plump instead of dry and wrinkly. But can you skip the needles and just eat the stuff? In this study, the researchers wanted to see if hyaluronic acid supplements could help with skin quality and wrinkles. Let's see what they did. They took 60 people ages 22 to 59 with crow's feet wrinkles and randomized them into 3 groups. 2 groups were given 120 milligrams of hyaluronic acid with different molecular weights and took them every day for 12 weeks. The third group was given placebo capsules to take every day. They collected data on crow's feet wrinkles using a sort of skin mold and microscopic camera images, and also did a survey of the subjects asking about changes in their skin. They took these measurements before starting and after 4, 8, and 12 weeks of treatment. Now let's get to the results and conclusions of this study, and why they kind of suck. The study authors conclude seemingly without hesitation that hyaluronic acid helps with wrinkles. While this might be true based on other research, the results of this study shouldn't lead to that conclusion. Their wrinkle measurements weren't very thorough compared to some of the great papers we've covered recently. While they showed statistically significant improvement with hyaluronic acid at 8 weeks, the benefit seemed to disappear at 12 weeks, which doesn't make much sense. The supplement just stopped working? They reported improvements in the microscopic camera images, but had no numerical analysis of any kind. The survey portion of the study had positive results, but that's not the kind of objective data we should use to decide what we put in our bodies. They also had 10% of their study subjects drop from the already small trial. Not ideal. Keep in mind the study was funded by the company that produces the supplement, and 6 of the 7 authors were employees of the company. They concluded that their treatment worked with essentially no positive objective results. You have to wonder about bias in interpreting the data. When we review research, we really need to look at the methods and results ourselves to figure out what they mean. There's some other literature out there suggesting that hyaluronic acid reduces wrinkles and improves skin hydration, but this study doesn't contribute to that. As always, a link to the study is in the description. Hit the like button if you learned anything today, and subscribe if you like learning about supplements, health, and research.